Here's a 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. This amazing Avalanche is loaded with standard features, including Bluetooth wireless, OnStar telecommunications, anti-lock brakes, traction control, dusk-sensing headlamps, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and dual-zone air conditioning. You'll get the best of all worlds in this sensational Avalanche with supreme comfort and refinement, combined with unsurpassed durability and performance. Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.